Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini on WhatsApp. You can directly use Gemini to send messages and make calls through WhatsApp on your Android device. This integration allows for seamless communication using simple voice or text commands. To begin, ensure both your Gemini and WhatsApp applications are fully updated to their latest versions for the best experience and full functionality. Before you start, make sure you have the latest versions of both the Gemini and WhatsApp applications installed on your Android phone. Next, you will need to set Gemini as your primary mobile assistant. Crucially, grant Gemini all necessary permissions, especially for accessing your contacts and messaging functions, to ensure smooth operation. To activate WhatsApp within Gemini, first open your Gemini application. Then, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner, and go to the Settings menu. Within Settings, locate and select the Apps page. Here, you will find a list of applications. Simply enable WhatsApp to allow Gemini to interact with it. Once enabled, you can start communicating through WhatsApp using Gemini. Simply use natural language prompts, such as text John on WhatsApp or call Sarah using WhatsApp. If WhatsApp isn't the default, you can specify it by including @WhatsApp in your command. Gemini can also assist you in composing and editing your messages, making your communication more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.